Welcome back to this video. So right now we're going to walk you on how to add. Remember, we selected manual payment option. So whether you selected manual automatic, it's still the same thing, right? So you go to tools again, you come to the setting option, account setup. That's where we're still on. And right here, we're on the account option. We want to go down to this option that says payment. So go ahead and select the payment option. Now, once we select the payment option, it brings us to this page right here. So if you selected automatic, it will ask you to add your card details. But here it is say we should add funds because we selected the manual option. So if you want to add funds to your TikTok Ad Manager account, you click on it. Once again, you go to tools, you go to account settings, and then you will see account setup. You see the option that says payment right here under finance, and then go ahead and click on the add balance option. So right here, you are going to type the amount of money you want to add to your ad account. So you go ahead and add it, and then there will be VAT that is charged on that. So you just go ahead and click on the confirm option. And once you click on confirm, this dialog box pops up, and this is where you are going to add card. So for now, it's only card option that is available. There's no option to add payment method and all of that, right? Bank transfer and the rest. So it's card. You just add the details of your card, and then go ahead and click on the make payment option, and automatically this amount will be deducted from your account. When the VAT is removed, it is only 100K that will be available to be added to your funding account. Okay, we are going to come back to this later. So let's see payment method I need. We can just give them a feedback here. So if they can add that option later, so we'll just say bank transfer. But we'll come back to this later anyways. I'm going to still add the amount of money because we need that to start running ad, right? So that's where you add your payment option, okay? And then if you go to promotion, the same thing I showed you earlier, this is where you have access to some of the immediate campaign promotion, okay, of getting up to 75K ad credit once you spend a certain amount of money. All right. So you can go ahead and do that. Then when you make those deposit and the rest, when you add money to your account, you can see all of the invoices on this option, or you can check out transaction and see that there. Then on the audience control option, if you go ahead and click on the audience control option, it brings us to this page. So right here, now when we start running our ad, depending on the objectives we are using, we can set the location we want to run the ad. We can set all of that in each of the ad we are going to run. But if you want to do that, before you start running any ad, like you want to set the location beforehand, so that TikTok will just know that you have already set up that. That's why you do it. You go to the audience control option, you go to location, and then you can just click on it and then start adding the locations where you want to start running your ads. Okay, so you can just scroll down here and select all of the locations where you want your ads to deliver, right? You just go ahead and select any of these countries you want to run your ad, right? Any of these countries, right? You go ahead and select any of this. Make sure that whatever you're selecting is in compliance with, um, what is available in your country, that you are not trespassing, right? So if possible, just select wherever country you are or whatever country you want to run your ads at, right? So you just go ahead and select all that you need. And once you do that, let's add Bangladesh and see what happens. Okay, Argentina, Algeria, and the rest. So you can add any of these, right? You can add any of these if you want. Any of these countries, just go ahead and add them up. To finish adding up all of these countries you want to target, the next one is the minimum age. If you want to do that, right, you can go ahead and select if it is 25 or 18 years. And then if you want to exclude any audience and the rest, you just go ahead and click on this and start excluding any of the audience that you want to. After that, go ahead and click on the save option, and your this option will automatically be saved. And then brand safety hub, account health. For now, your account health definitely is going to be good because we have not started running any ad yet. We have not violated anything, right? So the account health is where you see if your account is in good health or not, because once you violate, you will see all of those options here. Okay. Then for the brand safety hub, here you can go ahead and see these options, right? So just once you come in here to Brand Safety Hub, you see the advertising objectives. Go ahead and click on Add All, right? So this take us 30 minutes. Just click on Add All: traffic, app promotion, lead generation, website conversion, product sales, and then these other ones that are available here: reach, video views, community interaction. Add all of them. Then right here when they say inventory filter, you see the expanded inventory, and then you see the standard inventory. The standard inventory is the one that is recommended, okay? And then not limited inventory. So go ahead and select standard inventory. And once you select that, additional category, I don't normally do anything here. So just leave that as it is. And then you scroll down here and click on save. Thing we need to do. And then one last thing right here, you will see this notification up here that says you should verify your phone number for security and the rest. So you'll see by your right where it says verify phone number. Click on it and just follow the on-screen instruction to go ahead and verify your phone number. For your username, this is what TikTok gives you by default. This is what they give you by default. To change this, right? You go up at this hamburger right here, this hamburger at the top left. So if you click on it, you will see your username right here. If you click on the three dot by the side, you will see where it says user setting. Go ahead and click on that option. And then once you click on that option, it brings you here and you can see where it says username, right? Click on the change username option and type what you want right here. Okay, so that went through. That's how you change that. It's currently in review. If you want to change your email, you can equally do that here. And then here is where you add phone number. You can equally see the options here. So you go ahead and click on the add phone number option. Our email is there. We'll send verification since we want to add phone number. And then a verification code will be sent to our email. So if I come back to my email, I've not received the code yet. Right here, the email has been sent. Copy the code from here, come back to TikTok, and then paste that code right here and click on confirm. And here you need to select your country and country code, and then add your phone number. To add your phone number, you click on the send code option. This captcha comes up again. So which one do we have? We have this one, and then we have this one. Go ahead and click on confirm, and a code will be sent to your phone. So you are going to verify that we're using that code sent to your phone. Option here, if you didn't link your TikTok account when you were creating your ad manager account, you can go ahead and click on this link TikTok account. Just follow the on-screen instruction and link your TikTok. For this to work, it means that your TikTok needs to be logged into your web browser, the web browser you're using for this. So you need to log into your TikTok account using that web browser. Then from here, you can link it up.